A few years ago, artificial intelligence sounded like something only big tech companies would use. Most people thought it was complicated, expensive, or only useful for programmers. But today, that has completely changed. Now ordinary people are using AI tools to save time, build businesses, create content, and generate income online. And the most surprising part is that many of them are not experts. Some are students, some work normal jobs, and others started with no experience at all. One of the biggest reasons AI is growing so fast is because it increases productivity. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Writing, designing, research, video editing, marketing, and even customer support can now be assisted by AI tools. And whenever technology helps people save time or make money faster, opportunities appear. One common way people are making money with AI is content creation. Many creators use AI to help write video scripts, generate ideas, create thumbnails, improve titles, and organize content faster. Instead of spending an entire day planning one video, they can now do it in a fraction of the time. This allows them to post more consistently and grow their channels faster. And in the modern internet economy, attention can become income. Another major area is freelancing. People are using AI tools to offer services online, even if they are beginners. Some use AI to help write blog posts. Others create social media content, resumes, business logos, presentations, or marketing material. AI does not replace effort, but it reduces the barrier to entry. Someone who once needed years of experience can now learn faster and work more efficiently with the help of these tools. Small businesses are also using AI heavily. Instead of hiring large teams for every task, many businesses now use AI for email writing, customer responses, advertising ideas, scheduling, and content planning. This creates a new opportunity for individuals who understand how to use these tools effectively. Businesses do not always care who does the work. They care about results. Another growing area is digital products. People are creating ebooks, templates, online guides, and educational material with the assistance of AI. Once those products are created, they can be sold repeatedly online. This is why many people are becoming interested in digital income. One piece of work can continue generating money long after it is created. AI is also changing the way people learn skills. In the past, learning design, writing, or marketing could take years. Now people can practice with AI assistance and improve much faster. The learning process becomes more accessible. But here is something important that many people misunderstand. AI is a tool, not magic. The people making money are not just pressing buttons. They are combining creativity, consistency, and strategy with technology. Another thing no one talks about enough is that AI rewards people who take action early. Every major technological shift creates winners and losers. The people who adapt early usually gain the biggest advantage. Years ago, people ignored social media, online business, and content creation. Later, many regretted not starting sooner. AI may become another one of those moments. At the same time, there is also danger in relying on AI incorrectly. Some people use it to copy others, create low-quality work, or spread misinformation. That might create short-term attention, but it rarely builds long-term trust. The people who succeed long-term are the ones who use AI to improve value, not replace authenticity. One of the smartest ways to approach AI is to think of it as a business partner. Use it to save time. Use it to improve productivity. Use it to organize ideas and work faster, but still develop real skills. Communication, creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking are becoming even more valuable in the AI era, because tools change, but human value still matters. Another reason AI income is growing in the United States is because financial pressure is increasing. Many people are looking for additional income outside their main job. Inflation, rising costs, and economic uncertainty are forcing people to search for new opportunities, and AI tools are making online income more accessible than before. That is why interest in AI side hustles continues to grow rapidly. At the end of the day, AI is not just changing technology, it is changing opportunity. Some people will ignore it and stay behind. Others will learn how to use it and create entirely new income streams. The difference will not be intelligence. It will be action. The future belongs to people who learn, adapt, and move early. And right now, AI is giving ordinary people access to tools that once only large companies could afford. That is why this moment matters. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content about money, side hustles, AI tools, and financial growth. I will see you in the next video.